So, hi dear Pisces, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a 7 day, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 16 till the 22nd of December. I'm going to pull one card for each day. You can take it as messages, guidance, or warnings, or simple plain challenges or obstacles that you might face on this particular week. Okay, now if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono, the best healing modality of the universe, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. It's super easy to understand, and 1 hour masterclass. If you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the website and you can book your slots accordingly, and we can connect. Now let's start. Pisces, 7 days, 7 messages. So 7 days, 7 Oshos and tarot messages for Pisces. Let's see. प्रेमिका ने प्यार से जो भी दे दिया. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21st, 22nd. 16th, we have the understanding. See, Pisces, you have to understand that your own self-limiting belief, self-created belief that you can't do certain things, or you can't fly as high as others can, or you can't do something, it's impossible. If others can do that, you can also do that. You also have the power to do something that like others can do. It's all in your head, that you are different, you don't have wings, you don't have the resources. Limiting beliefs are the killer of dreams, right? Once you are going to start walking on that path of I can also do that, I can also achieve something, the universe is going to show you the path as well. It's all about your understanding. 17th, we have the moment to moment. Don't take life, people, things, or situations too personally, uh, or too hardly on yourself, right? Live your life to moment, especially this day. Okay, only on this day, try to live your life like moment to moment, with mindfulness, with happiness, with liveliness, like with cheerfulness. Like whatever is happening, is like, let it happen, let it pass. You enjoy your life, do things like kids, you know. Okay, don't eat what we call that, soil or what. I don't know, don't eat mud. Okay, and whatever, but yeah, you can if you want to, but live your life to the fullest, moment to moment on this particular day, and see the magic unfolding in front of your eyes. Okay, now on 18, the burden. You are going to take too much on your plate that you might not be able to finish, and you're going to feel so stressed out as fuck, like, oh my god, what is happening? There's a lot to cover and I haven't even started. It's completely fine. From time to time, we all feel this kind of energy, right? Take help from somebody who can help you in this direction, and or try to do things slowly. Most important first, then the next, then next, right? But the burden, the stress that you're going to feel is not going to help you achieve anything in your life. Okay, just try to relax and calm down and plan it properly, and then move forward. Okay, 22nd, 19th, we have the new vision. So on the 19th, you're going to get up from the old vision. You are no longer going to feel the same person as you used to be. On the 19th, you're going to feel like a totally renewed energy, totally new person. You will be able to see things, people, and situation from a new dimension, new horizon, new vision, and you will be able to feel everything is totally different from what you feel, from what you used to feel about that. Yeah, you should have a new vision, new perspective, new understanding. Okay. 20th, we have the clinging to the past. Something or someone from your past is going to show up again to make you feel uncomfortable for some time, so that you can heal that and release that properly. If you're going to cling to the past, like past experience, and you're going to apply it to the present, you're always going to get the same results, honey. Sometimes you need to change, sometimes you need to like break the chain by not clinging to the past, because whatever happened in the past, you can't change it. But in the present moment, with the experience that you had in the past, you can do it differently. You can choose to do something differently. 21st, we have the politics. Do not let other people, other energies let you down in any way, because you might have the tendency to trust people without even knowing much about them, and or being in this naiveness or innocence of, okay, everyone is good because you are good. It's not like that. Some people might try to like play politics with you. They might show you something else, and they are totally different person, different energies. Not Do not share your personal things or information that is quite deep, that can have some kind of impact on you in the coming future. Don't share that with anybody. because I mean there might be people around you who are trying to play politics with you in some way, and that's going to like create some kind of conflicting kind of energies in the coming future for you guys. 22nd, we have the past lives. So again, some kind of dream, some kind of people, situations, or thing can come out of the past, not to harm you or hurt you. It's actually coming back to you so that you can heal it properly and release it properly. The universe is going to test you in some way in order to see if you're going to do the same kind of shit as you used to do in the past, and or you have changed. This is a lesson, this is a test of a lesson that the universe gave you in the past. Now what you're going to do about it, it's up to you, honey. Yeah, try to handle it with the new experience and with the new vision that you have gained. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.